Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a BedRug Impact Liner for Ram 1500 short bed pickup trucks. Let's get into it. All right, BedRug makes a variety of bed liners, if you will, for pickups. This happens to be the Impact Liner. It's a full liner that covers not just the floor of the bed, but also the side walls of the bed as well. BedRug kind of has their flagship product, which is called the BedRug Mat, which is a mat that covers the floor of the bed, and they make the BedRug Liner, which again is a liner. It covers the side walls of the bed as well. And they have the Impact Liner, which is really designed to take some hits, if you will. So it's a little bit different design. It's not that carpet feel, it's kind of a textured, tactile feel, if you will. If you're familiar with the Van Tread product that they make for cargo vans, it's gonna be kind of similar to that. Just get everything out of the box here. So before we get into the main liner product, we do have a little strip right here for something, I don't know what it's for, but it's included. We do have all of our installation products right here. Looks like it is a self-adhesive Velcro product. This is typically used, you're gonna kind of unpeel this adhesive backing. This actually gets attached to the bed floor, maybe even up against the side walls. It gives you a Velcro surface and you can actually remove it. Obviously it keeps it secured to the truck, but then you can remove it if you need to hose it off, clean underneath the bed, things like that. Looks like we have some additional strips right here. We do have some adhesion promoter. I believe that you'll use this if you have a spray-in liner. Let's try and get this thing unwrapped. Looks like we are at the tail end of this, so this is just one thing to note, is this does include coverage for your tailgate. You got a little transition piece right here. This actually has, it's almost like a really heavy-duty window screen, so you can see through it. This is going to allow moisture and things to seep through it, so it's not going to collect in the bed of the truck. It gets wet back there and things like that. It's also flexible, so obviously as you open the tailgate and close it, that distance between your bed mat and the tailgate is going to change. Underneath here, you can kind of see there's a foamy material, so that's going to be that impact protection. Kind of have a rigid-ish surface on top. This is textured, a little bit tactile, so hopefully going to prevent things from sliding around inside the truck bed. And then obviously to prevent from any impact damage. You have a Velcro, one side of a Velcro strip on the top and bottom of our tailgate here. As we unroll this, you can see, I don't know how well that shows up on our video. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. You can see it is pre-cut for the ribbing in the floor of the truck. So it's gonna give you a nice even surface. So if you're crawling around there on your knees, things like that, it's gonna conform to the ridges in the bed floor. Now it looks like we do have a separate piece right here for the lining. I'll just pull this off to the side quick and we'll revisit that in a moment. But this looks like it is for the entire truck bed. Again, this is just the 5.5 foot bed, so not super long here. And you can see this is one side of that Velcro strip. So like I mentioned, where you use these Velcro adhesive pieces right here, you actually kind of stick this to the truck bed floor. It's gonna line up with this, and that's what's gonna hold this in place up against the bed floor. But then it's Velcro, so you can remove it. You need to hose off underneath or on top, clean this out, whatever you may need to do. And then around the perimeter of this Impact Liner, we actually have a zipper. So I believe this is what is going to secure the bed floor to the lining sides of the bed. Then here is all the side of the bed protection. This again does have some foam on the back. We do have some of that Velcro material back here. Again, that's going to attach to this self-adhesive backing right here. And then on the bottom side, we have the other side of that zipper that we showed you. So it's gonna mate with the Impact Liner mat. But this is a different material. This is almost like that BedRug material. It's that carpety kind of feeling. It's all plastic though, so it's not gonna mold or mildew or anything like that. You can hose it off, clean it out nicely, but it also, again, has a little bit of a foam protection in there. This is gonna go all the way up against the side. Looks like it goes over the wheel well too. You can see this kind of bumps out right here. Gonna go over the wheel well. This is gonna be towards the cab. How can I get this? You can see we do have our BedRug logo right here. This is gonna be up against the front of the cab on the passenger side right there. And this is gonna come down the passenger side, go over the wheel well to the back post of our truck bed. So, pretty cool product. We're actually gonna be installing this on a Ram 1500. Installation is gonna be relatively similar from truck to truck. It's just gonna be different size products because this, self-adhesive Velcro strips. Again, I'm not quite sure what this is for. This might be for the front of the bed or something like that. But if you're interested in how to install this, we're gonna be filming a video for this product on a Ram 1500 as well. So be sure to check that out if you are interested. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.